Welcome, everyone, to Angie's Sensational Crafts, where today she'll be demonstrating how to make a lager beer candle.
Good morning, everyone. I'm going to make a beer candle. It's going to have like a light yellowish color or like a light beer. So I'm going to pour the gel wax in first, but then I have to let the gel wax harden for a couple hours, and it's going to have the beer scent in it, and it smells just like beer. And then after the gel wax hardens, then I'll be putting in the hard paraffin wax for the top for the foam. So now I'm going to go ahead and pour the gel wax in the glass. So I'm going to stop it right about there, and then the rest will be the hard wax, but I can't do that until the gel wax hardens, and I will show you that step as well, but I have to let this set for a couple of hours for that to set up, and then I'll come back and I'll put the hard wax in. So I'll see you in about 3 hours for the rest.